for us that we come 12 months ago and to see the change that's happened in that such short period of time is pretty awesome. So, you know, at Triple Eight we run race cars, but we're an engineering team, and manufacturing's a huge part of our business. But yeah, we're a tiny little fish in the pond when you come and see a facility like this.
The manufacturing side of it is amazing, so it's been really cool to check out, and year on year it's been cool to see some of the changes as well.
Yeah, I think for us, we're competition, we're trying to beat people on the track, but you guys are trying to beat people in the market, and there's no room for error. So for us, half a tenth of a second is a huge amount of time. For the business here, any little errors are just setbacks and costing everything up against your competitors. So we're all here for the same thing, we're trying to win, and that's the best thing about, I think, the two of us coming together is we're both at the top of the market and trying to do the best that we can.
I think the biggest thing that I notice here is that, you know, the precision to building the trailers and all that, when you have a look around them, they're perfect, and that's what we are at Triple Eight. We try and engineer to perfection, and we need that in our industry to have the fastest cars, to have the most reliable cars, and it's great to see that also happening here. So it's a great business to align with for us.